KHOU 11 News at 10 starts now.
It was the Enron Tower. Now it's the Chevron building, but some who work there know it as the Tower of Terror.
That's because they got stuck in an elevator that went haywire.
And now they filed a lawsuit. Our Rux Russell joins us now with the frightening details. Rux?
Well, you know what, guys? We heard about this when it happened last month, but we didn't have the inside story. Now we do, thanks to a woman who survived it all.
We get on the elevator.
It happens every day.
The doors close.
People step in and never think twice.
And it did not move.
But the elevator Leslie Williams and two other women boarded last month transformed the Chevron building downtown into a tower of terror.
Because that could have been our lives. Literally.
The trouble began on the 39th floor. The elevator got stuck and the women pressed the emergency intercom.
We're just stuck. Like, can you please let us know how long it's going to be to get this elevator open?
They waited for 10, 20, then 30 minutes.
We're starting to panic. We've been in here too long now. What's going on?
Then a ray of hope.
We feel the elevator start to move up.
It turned into horror.
Before we could blink our eyes good, it went from 0 to 60 in a matter of seconds. And it crashed into the 50th floor.
The impact slammed the women into the ceiling, then back down on the floor.
Everybody's hysterical. We're screaming, what's going on? Don't let this elevator move again. Get us out of here.
The light fixtures fell and the floor began to crumble.
We're all huddled up. I mean, all we could think about was our families, our kids.
While they waited for nearly an hour and a half until help finally arrived. And here's what that help looked like. Firefighters lowered a ladder through the hatch. Leslie and the other women climbed up one by one. And then they reached the top of their elevator. From there, firefighters directed them across a narrow grate and onto the top of a neighboring elevator where they began their journey down.
I didn't want to look down. I tried not to.
An attorney has filed a lawsuit blaming Chevron for the accident that left Williams with a broken foot.
Things like this don't happen unless someone has dropped the ball with respect to maintenance of the elevator, and that's exactly what happened in this case.
In a statement, a Chevron spokesperson said, "We have not seen the suit and therefore cannot comment on its allegations. The safety and well-being of our workforce is our top priority at Chevron." But a woman convinced she could have died in one of their elevators.
I can't even sleep at night.
Isn't so sure. Williams works on the 39th floor. She says she hasn't been back since this happened because she's too scared now to get on an elevator. Rux Russell, KHOU 11 News.